you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tay Marie here, back with another video. So I do apologize, I've been not on YouTube. I've been mostly on TikTok and Instagram, so go check those out. But my main platform is YouTube, so I need to get back on here. It's been about 2 weeks, yeah. I know I left off with the wig, so I am gonna update you guys on that, on how I did on the wig. I'm gonna insert clips and everything right there. I'm also gonna be talking about how I got my hair like this, what products I use, and also what products I use to wash my natural hair. I'm getting out of breath, but let's get into it. First, we're gonna talk about what I use to get my hair like this, but y'all can see that this side is a little different than this side because I combed this out too much. So I'm gonna redo it tonight, but as you can see, like the look, it's still giving. So what I use is Camille Rose, that is backwards. Camille Rose. I use the Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream. And I use the Honeydew Liquid Moisture Refresher. My hair was not wet, so I was gonna wash my hair, but then I'm like, I'm gonna give it like another week, but I want a cute style until then. So I decided to just use the curl cream and use the this is the curl cream, y'all, and use the liquid moisturized refresher. So yeah, this is the only thing that had my hair wet, but I did not like wet my hair. This wet my hair. But I really love these products. My hair is very soft. It's not crunchy at all. Yesterday my hair was dry, so this definitely gave it some love because my hair probably was like, you don't love me. I do, okay? It's just very thick and it's a lot. But this took me, I want to say this took me about 30 minutes to just twist up, and then I took it down today. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all is just to not over comb it. Y'all see this one, this side is looking all nice and this side is very much over combed. So don't do that. But other than that, if you don't want your hair crunchy, I would definitely use these two together. This is my first time using this, but I have used this when I first bought it and it just smells so good. I'm a sucker for anything that smells good, and yeah, these smell amazing. Go get y'all some. So let's move on to, I know y'all probably want to know like the wig, what happened, did I fail, did I succeed? Yeah, let's jump into that. The quality of the hair is very nice. Like, it is very nice. It has not tangled on me. Every time I wear it, it does not tangle on me. It's very soft. What I did after I bleached the front, I did just let it sit in conditioner for like an hour in a bag, rinsed that out, and the hair was really soft. And I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use to actually get this wig how it is, and the products that I use to install it. Let's see. Okay, so I still got the little handy dandy pouch. Okay, drawstring bag, that's what it's called. So boom, it's called bomb, but boom. Okay, so really love this edge stick. This is like the best, and it smells good. It smells like, y'all know how y'all go get y'all hair done professionally, like that's what it smells like it just smells like a professional hair salon. But this really laid down the top of that wig. So I did, y'all might see it in a clip right here, I did boom, boom, boom. And then I went in with the hot comb. It's an Andis Hot Comb. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. It works amazing. And that top was flat. It was giving what it was supposed to give, okay? So next, what I used is the Bio Silk. I know y'all have heard of the Bio Silk. If you haven't heard of the Bio Silk, better go get the Bio Silk so you can experience the silk therapy, okay? Everything that I'm talking about will be in the description below, so y'all can go purchase these items. Go check them out. This is amazing. So after I was done with everything, I just ran you only need a little bit, a dime size. I ran it through my hair, and my hair felt very light, but it was just, y'all gonna see it right here. Like, it just gave my hair that shine, but not too shiny like my hair was synthetic. No, it gave my hair that shine, and it's not heavy. I was very worried about if this was a heavy oil or not. This is not heavy at all. I do not like heavy oils when I'm wearing weave. So go get the Bio Silk. I did only grab a mini one because I barely so yeah, go get this. And what else did I use? That's pretty much it, y'all. This is really bothering me, but that's pretty much it on what I use for the wig. Like I said, it's glueless. I did not use any glue. What I used to lay down my edges, oh my gosh, what I used to lay down my edges was the Camille Rose mousse. And let me just go grab that real quick and be right back to show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm just very excited because I love this mousse. I have not tried it on my natural hair yet. When I wash my hair, I am going to try this. But this for the edges that I use for the wig, oh yes, this laid them edges down. Y'all gonna see right here when I was wearing my hair curly and when I was wearing it straight. Yes, these made my edges look amazing. The smell, it smells so good. This is the spiked honey mousse, and it smells just like the other products that I just showed y'all. It has honey in it as well. Nettle root infused, and it says a lightweight setting mousse. It is definitely lightweight. Like, I just love the texture of this mousse, and I cannot wait to try it on my natural hair. I'm not trying to prolong this video because we got one more topic to talk about. And I'm so used to like making videos for TikTok and Instagram, so I'm used to like hurrying up and making like a quick short video. But I love YouTube, so I'm gonna be back on here. But let's move on to what I use to wash my hair. Just basically my regular wash day routine on what I use. And first, oh no, this is first things first. First thing first is I use a scalp scrub by Taraji P. Henson. I love this one. This says never salty, and it's a sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. Y'all, when I put this on my scalp, it was just like, it felt so clean. Like, it just, I don't describe it. Like, it felt like it was getting into my scalp and just really cleaning it. I'm gonna show y'all if it comes off. Okay. This is, I got a new ring light and it is very much bright. So this is what it looks like. I don't want it to spill all out, but as you can see, like the two little things, it scrubs that very well. The scalp, I'm gonna leave the video right there of me using this product on my hair when I was washing it. This is the first thing that I used. And then after that, I went in with the Taraji P. Henson Honey Fresh and Clarifying Shampoo with Moisture. I love this one. It is a strong smell. It smells good, but if you don't really like very strong smells, then I I would not recommend this only because the smell is very strong to me, like a very strong perfume smell. But other than that, it does the job. It definitely does the job. So next, I was gonna say last but not least, but this is not the last product that I used. So the next product that I use is the Carol's Daughter. I love Carol's Daughter. Like, this is the first product that I discovered that my hair loves so much. So after that, I did go in with the fortifying conditioner. This is the Goddess Strength line by Carol's Daughter. Go check this one out. I'm gonna say this in all of my videos until I could find it. It's called the Almond Milk. They have an almond milk line. I am in love with the almond milk line. That is the #1 go-to for my hair. When they run out, I do go get the Goddess Strength. But yeah, go find the almond milk because it is amazing. Go get it. And next I use the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Cocoon Repairing Hair Mask. Like I said, this one is not my first choice. The almond milk one is, but this one is amazing too. It leaves my hair very, very, very soft. So if this leaves my hair very, very, very soft, then what do y'all think the almond milk one does? I love almond. I love the smell of almond. Okay. So I'm gonna, in my next video, I am gonna show y'all how I make my hair mask, because that is the first thing that I do apply to my hair before I even get started on washing it. And then after that, I will show y'all how I make my rosemary water. How I make my rosemary water. It has other ingredients in it besides the rosemary, so I can't wait to show y'all how I make that. That is the last product that I used on my hair was the rose water. And then after that, I might leave a few clips in here on what I did after that, like I did blow dry it and stuff like that, so it might be right here as well. But that's the last time that I'm using heat, so I'm on this no heat journey. As you could see, that's gonna get fixed, but as you could see. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go grab that glueless wig because it's giving. And for me, having to do a wig for the first time, it was easy. I struggled at first. I struggled at first a little bit, only because the plucking, like if I just wanted it to look more natural. So I just kept plucking. And I don't want to say that I struggled with it, but I just want to say that it took forever. Okay? It took forever. But other than that, that wig is very low maintenance. If you are a first time beginner on installing a wig, definitely start off with a glueless wig. I will leave this description. I will leave the link in the description below. I can never say that right. I will leave the link in the description below for the wig, for all the products that I listed. It will be in my Amazon storefront for all the hair products. So yeah, go check that out. Y'all, this been crooked the whole time. Go check that out, and thank y'all for watching. I will be uploading another video this week. Yes, it's not gonna be a long overdue thing, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.